Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today I'm gonna talk about how to create this one Cornice pattern at the exterior wall. Okay, usually if you want to do this one in interior, then you may just use background wall design. However, now we're gonna do exterior, so no choice, you may use this function. Let me show you. Okay, so we are outside, then we come to here, click on this free modeling. Okay, so you go outside, make sure you're outside. Okay, then if can, you use the subline to make as your guideline, subline, this one. Okay, so I'll add a subline here. Then maybe this pattern I put around 900. Okay, 900. Then I add another one, another side. Okay, I put here this one. Okay, so roughly just right click. This one I'm gonna make it 1200. Okay, the size up to you lah. I'll just show you the pattern only. Okay, just draw another line, another subline here. Roughly 600 roughly 600. Then I'm gonna create a line here. Okay, just do the pattern. Draw the pattern roughly lah. Okay, right click, exit. So very simple. You may just use this search. Okay, you can press F. Okay, to move it up first. Move it up as a border. Okay, so now we're gonna do this one here. Okay, this one. Okay, you may just click here. Okay, press shift button. No, press F button first. This one, F button. Then you press shift. You may see the cross there. So you add one more. Okay, then here the size we just change it. Here zoom. Use this one to scale it. Okay, make it let's say 50. Then start see with the pattern like this. Okay. Okay, so I do another one. Okay, another one here. Up first, then go in. Okay, go in. So we do another one. Go in. So I press shift. Yeah, I press this one first. Okay, shift. You see across there. Add. So add one more new. Up here 50. Enter. Okay, this one I scale it also. Zoom. Okay, scale it. Make it less. No need minus. Just press 50. To see some pattern. If 50 is too much, right, then you adjust it again. So you can see the shape. Okay, start seeing the shape. So if you want to copy another one, then we come to here. Come to do this one. Here on top. Okay, here this one. So I may just click here, search, make it go up. Just go up only. Just go up. Put 300, enter. Okay, go up already. Then this one I continue. The pattern is 1 and 2, so I'll just create 1 and 2 here. Okay, let's say I press shift again. This one F search. Okay, press shift. Remember, press shift. See the cross. Then drag one. Then move it. Start move it. Maybe I put 50 again. No, this one I put 20 because it's too much. Okay, so just move some pattern. Right click. Okay, so I make it C. I can scale it. So press this one. Press this one. Zoom. Okay, zoom it. 20 also or 20 also to make some pattern. Follow here. The pattern. Then here again. Shift. Click this one here. Shift. Okay, move it up. Another 20. Okay, then I scale it again. Click here. Okay, zoom, scale it. Another 20 come out. So you see the texture the different pattern. Okay, so okay, I'm gonna make this one go up go up. No choice. If you want to do outside, you need draw by yourself. Okay, go up maybe 50. Okay, maybe 50. Okay, then I do again this one, the pattern again. So you can continue and do it. Okay, just use free modeling lah. Okay, happy trying.